HNT. We're going to be doing a full deep dive on Helium, what it's trying to do, what it's already done, what are some of the roadblocks it needs to overcome, the tokenomics, the charts, and my price prediction. If this video gets 150 likes, I'll do a full 30+ minute breakdown on my YouTube channel. So share this with somebody and bookmark it for later. Helium is a real world network that's letting people get paid to build it. Helium is a decentralized network built by everyday people instead of massive telecoms. You can set up one of these networks, provide coverage to the network. Helium started with IoT devices like GPS and city infrastructure, but now they've expanded into 5G. HNT has a hard cap of 223 million supply. Just like Bitcoin, it has a halving. Instead of every 4 years, the supply that's released gets cut in half every 2 years. Helium launched in July of 2019, and there was no pre-mine, which is a big deal. This means that the team didn't have some secret stockpile of the supply. In 2023, Helium migrated its blockchain to the Solana network, which at the time I thought was a mistake, but the more that I learn about Solana, the more that I think that this was a good move. What they're trying to do is open up a rapid, affordable, and secure global wireless connection. In 2021, Helium had some remarkable growth, soaring from 14,000 different hotspots to over 450,000 hotspots. 2023, they peaked at over 1 million hotspots and have now dwindled back down to about 400,000. Right now, Helium's goal is to have decentralized Wi-Fi, VPNs, and other products available in 2025. I think this is one of the biggest roadblocks for HNT and the biggest question mark. And they go from a hobby that you can earn passive income from to actually transitioning into a real world asset. And I think the biggest hurdle that they need to overcome right now is transitioning into onboarding real people to the real network. And if they could do that, they could become a real world asset. Talk about Helium's charts and my price predictions for Helium. As of right now, over 200 million of the supply is already circulating. So most of it is already done. Structurally, I really like what I'm seeing here. This is your classic markdown, your Wyckoff accumulation, selling climax, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. Looking very, very good. And it's also below the 236. This is what we talked about yesterday as where I consider extreme value. If it just wants to retrace, my price target is about $25. In my opinion, this is a good place to take a little bit of profit. My parabolic case for HNT is $64, as high as $104. I would be de-risking and taking profit at these levels. Now, this was a request from one of my members in the Telegram. If you want the ability to request a deep dive on any coin, you know what to do.